Yo, it's Major from Ada's Dream, and today I'm teaching you how to grow my favorite plants for the spring. Let's go. Yo, what's up? It's Major. We back again from Ada's Dream, and today I got something special with you because people think I just do candles. I also love plants. Not only do I love plants, I love photography and I love music production and art. Those are my favorite hobbies. But today we're gonna do plants and we're gonna do my favorite, elephant ears. I love elephant ears, especially the black leaf elephant ears. They dope. So today I'm gonna take y'all guys on a journey with me to the plant store. Pike is my favorite. I love Pike Nursery. So we're gonna go to Pike today and you're gonna come with me. Let's go get it. Let's go get the bulbs. So come on, y'all ready to go? Let's go, let's go. We are here at Pike and we're gonna try to find these elephant ear plants. Let's see what we can find. Yes, this is what you want. Nice and big. This is my boy right here. We go way back to last year. What's up, bro? Been all right? He said he been all right. Let's look at the other elephant ears plants that we have here. We have got the mojito elephant ear. These are nice. And then we have white lava elephant ear plants. White lava elephant ear plants, and they call them white lava because they have the white crescent in the middle of them. And here are my favorite elephant ear plants. These elephant ear plants that are my favorite is Black Magic. They grow up and they're nice and dark. Bring a different feel to your yard, different creative vibe to your yard. Get you some of these. And you can get these from Pike Nursery. Pike Nursery. So I think we're gonna get some of these and we're gonna get the big guy. Make sure to get you some Purple Queen. Purple Queen is good because Purple Queen actually comes back after the winter season and your summer months. You could just trim it down when it gets cold outside, and then you could bring back the Purple Queen later. I love Purple Queen plants. Okay, this is what we got from the plant store, guys. I got my Purple Queen. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 Purple Queen plants. Like I said before, Purple Queen is good because after the winter season, they'll die during the winter season and they'll come right back after the winter season. Come like springtime or before springtime. And then I got my black elephant ears. These are called Black Magic. They do good in partial sun and partial shade. I got my big boy elephant ear, and this is called the mammoth elephant ear. Mammoth elephant ear. This is the big guy. So let's go outside and put these into a vase. Okay, we have our plant vases here. I have one here and I have one there. And I'm gonna take my elephant ear bulb, place it in here just like this. And now we're gonna cover that up with some dirt. We're gonna cover that up with Miracle Grow. We're gonna cover it up with that. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. I just want to show you the beginning parts of this. And I know you see the blue stuff around it. It's all-purpose plant food that I put down. I like to put that down before I put my plants in, because when I water, it just helps feed it before it starts to grow. So we're gonna put the dirt in, and then for this one over here, I'm gonna plant the Black Magic elephant ear. Let's take that out now and put that down. Okay, now I have my Black Magic elephant ear inside this container, but I think I want to do like 2 or 3 more in here. I got some more room, and I feel like I could put some more in here. Okay, our Purple Queen plants are now down and good to go. Okay, now we have the Black Magic elephant ear in here, and I have my regular elephant ear in this one. This is the one where I have the big elephant ear, and these are the black elephant ears. So we're gonna see how those grow, and I'll show you guys on the next video. Okay, so the plants are done and we are good to go. So now we just waiting for the spring to see what we got with our elephant ears. I appreciate you guys joining in. I hope you enjoyed the show. And don't forget to check out Pike Nursery for your elephant ears. This is Major Payne from Ada's Dream, and please hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.